जब मैं अकेला होता हूँ, कुछ कहता हूँ, सुन लेता हूँ। गहरे विचार के सागर में कुछ आता है, कुछ जाता है। गहन मौन का वह आंगन, एक श्वास की हल्की सी आहट आती है और जाती है। कुछ देर मौन के साथ साथ जीवन के क्षण कट जाते हैं। When I'm alone, I speak and listen to myself. And in the vast ocean of deep thoughts, ideas come and go. When in solitude, even the faintest whisper of breath is noticeable, and time flows with the stillness, and life moves on in a quiet moment. I think this is a good description of an artistic life. Namaskar to all present and all the esteemed speakers and everyone. I'm Ragini Maharaj and I belong to the 9th generation of Kalka Binda Din Gharana of Lucknow. That is a particular style in Kathak. And I'm trying my best to take the legacy of Maharaj family forward. Thank you. Imagine I'm sitting in my room with my history book right in front of me and I'm trying to focus on my board exam preparations and I hear this from the other room. Book closed. Unable to focus, I walk up to my grandfather and I requested him, Dada, please don't do this. I have to appear for my board examinations. Please mat kariye, mat boliye. And then, with a smile on his face, he said, it's good that you came. Now learn 2-3 new compositions from me because ye tumhare zindagi bhar kaam aayega. This will stay with you for a lifetime and you will also get some refreshing break from your studies. Focusing on Harappan civilization became a task for me that day. Parents usually put their children into music, instrument, yoga, swimming, sports, gym and all these classes so that their children get some break from academics. In my case, I pursued sociology honors and masters in social work so that I could take some break from dance and music. It was completely the opposite for me. I can recall of a very, very funny incident when I was in the 9th grade. Our math teacher, Amita ma'am, had given us a problem to solve and she said, whosoever has got 1147 as their answer, raise your hands. Imagine what happened. Everyone did, except me. My answer was 5. 1147 and 5. There is no relation between the two. No connection with the original answer. I went back home and I again walked up to my grandfather. I used to discuss everything with him. And I told him, Dada, I'm really disappointed. I have barely passed with 40%. And I think I cannot do well in math and physics. It's not my cup of tea. He reassured me with a smile and he asked me, do you understand rhythm? Do you understand beats? That is the tal and leh that we do in Indian classical dance and music. I said, yes. I nodded. I said, yes, I do understand it really well. He said, wonderful, you are still able to do the kind of math that is taught in your school, but probably your classmates and teachers cannot do the mathematical calculations that you are capable of doing in Kathak. I gained a lot of happiness and confidence that day, and I understood the reason why my answers differed from my classmates. Perhaps it's because we artists think differently, and we are bohemians at heart. Okay, so a lot of talking has already happened. Now let's do something interesting. I want to recite some beautiful compositions that were created by my grandfather. He invented the concept of numerical compositions in Kathak. Because if I say ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat, तो आप पूछेंगे ये ता थई थी tat a thei thei tat कौन है? हम नहीं जानते. It is probably an alien language for all of you. But if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you can relate to it. And it will become easier for you to understand the pattern of the composition, that rhythmic pattern. So if I say 1, 2, 1, 2, you clap on 2, not on 1, so that you feel the drum groove. Okay? So I do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I will recite some tihais. Tihai is a kind of composition in Kathak which is repeated thrice. But here is a twist. Unlike maths, कथक की जो मैथमेटिक्स होती है थोड़ी अलग होती है. So whatever the composition is, it should come back on one. So it should come back on the first beat. So let's do this activity together. 1, 2, 1, 2. वाह क्या बात है, बड़े लयदार हैं आप सब. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. ए 2 3 4 5, 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 ए 2 3 4 5. It ended on me. Okay, और भी थोड़ा सा कुछ करते हैं. This time, let's do some addition. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. Then we'll come to 3. 3 plus 3 plus 2 is again 8. And then 4 plus 4 is 8. फिर सम तक पहुंचने की तैयारी करते हैं. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. ए 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ए 2 3, ए 2 3, ए 2, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, धा. ए 2, ए 2, ए 2, ए 2, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ए 2 3, ए 2 3, ए 2, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, धा. ए 2, ए 2, ए 2, ए 2, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ए 2 3, ए 2 3, ए 2, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, धा. It again came back to me. So I will give you some rest. अब मैं ये खुद करती हूँ. धा दिन दिन दा, धा दिन दिन दा, तिन तिन ता तक दिन दिन दा. 1, ए 2, ए 2 3, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. ए 2 3, ए 2 1, ए 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. 1, ए 2, ए 2 3, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. ए 2 3, ए 2 1, ए 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. 1, ए 2, ए 2 3, ए 2 3 4, ए 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. ए 2 टिंग, ए 2 1, ए 2 3 4 5 4 3. ओके बाय. थैंक यू. मज़ा आ रहा है? एक दो और बोलूं? अच्छा लग रहा है जी? ज़रूर. ओके. इस वाली तिहाई में यू विल फील एज इफ अ ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स आर प्लेइंग हॉकी and they are passing the hockey ball. I'm doing it alone, so I will try my best to give you that feel. I think I'll have to, I think iske wajah se I cannot move. Okay, let's see. I will stand and do it here. धा दिन दिन धा दिन दिन धा, तिन तिन ता तक दिन दिन धा, ए 2 3 4 धा, ए 2 3 4 5 धा, ए 2 3 4 5 6 धा, दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना धा, ए 2 3 4 धा, ए 2 3 4 5 धा, ए 2 3 4 5 6 धा, दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना धा, ए 2 3 4 धा, ए 2 3 4 5 धा, ए 2 3 4 5 6 धा, दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना दीदी ना. बोल. थैंक यू. एक हम और जाते हैं असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. जैसे ऑटम में वृक्ष से ट्री, देयर इज अ ट्री एंड द लीव्स फॉल लाइक दिस विद द विंड. तो इसमें ये भी न्यूमेरिकल कॉम्पोजिशन है. ये भी एक एग्जाम्पल देखिए आप. धा दिन दिन दा, दिन दिन दा, तिन तिन ता त्रिक दिन दिन दा, ए 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 6 5 4 3 2 1. ए 2 3 4 5 6 8 6 5 4 3 2 1. ए 2 3 4 5 6 8 6 5 4 3 2 1. ये सारे इतनी सुंदर चीज़ें हैं जो दादा ने इंट्रोड्यूस करी हमारे साथ. और I don't want to cut this portion, which I am going to talk about right now, about some beautiful choreographies, dance dramas, ballets that he created. I will talk about 2 of them. He named one of his choreographies as Loha, that is iron. So, everything was portrayed by one of the disciples, of course. That is how a ballet is done in Kathak. So one man came and turned a piece of iron into a sword. उसको तेज धार देके एक तलवार बना देता है. A wise man came and turned that piece of iron into a temple bell, which is a symbol of harmony, devotion and worship. तो उस बैले में उन्होंने टेक्निकल कॉम्पोजिशंस के थ्रू ऐसा दिखाया कि एक आदमी जो तलवार बनाता है वो पूरी जिंदगी भर it caused a lot of destruction. It shed so much blood. And towards the end of the composition, the sword looks at the temple bell and said, I wish I could be like you. काश मैं तेरी तरह हो पाता. मैं अब रक्त से नहा चुका हूँ. I am drenched with blood and I am in guilt. काश मैं तेरी तरह हो पाता. Such a beautiful choreography. And then another choreography by him is humorous. वो उन्होंने उसका नाम दिया फाइल की कथा, स्टोरी ऑफ अ फाइल. So a bundle of files was kept in the government office, and due to bureaucratic overload and pressure, the officer is not able to go through the files. तो वो files जो हैं उन पे मिट्टी लग रही है, धूल धक्कड़ हो रहा है. So one of the buried files wanted to go on a strike. तो हर एक फाइल को एक डांसर ने पोर्ट्रे किया था और उन्होंने ये बोला कि कथक में कैसे स्ट्राइक्स होंगे, स्ट्राइक्स थ्रू कथक. द फाइल सेड कृधित धान दा धित दित्ता. पीछे वाले कह रहे धित धित्ता भाई धित धित्ता. कृधित धान दा धित दित्ता. ये नहीं सहेंगे. धित धित्ता भाई धित दित्ता. तो इस तरह से उन्होंने इतने मजाकिया बैलेज भी बनाए और आई थिंक मैं जितना भी उनके बारे में बोलूँगी उतना ही कम है. एंड आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस शुड गिव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू हिम, नॉट टू मी. It's because of him I am able to stand here and share so many things with all of you. Okay, just before I end with my performance, there is something very important I want to share with all of you today. See, we identify ourselves as different genders, but dance has no gender. I am standing in a female body. I can immediately become Shiva with the Trishul in my hand. At the same time, I can become his wife, Parvati. I can be Krishna. At the same time, I can become Radha. So we dancers know how to balance both masculinity and femininity through our expressions and art. But unfortunately, in the movies and comedy shows, I have seen many times that male dancers are always portrayed in a very humorous and stereotypical way, which breaks my heart. It really breaks my heart. Because aspiring male Kathak dancers from small villages and towns, they have texted me that they go through so much humiliation and they are discouraged to the next level because of these preconceived notions. ओके, दिल्ली का मौसम बड़ा अच्छा हो रहा है, होली आने वाली है, बड़ी हवा चल रही है, बिजली भी कड़क रही है, आजकल बादल गरजते हैं. तो इन सबको मैं अपने डांस के थ्रू, अलग अलग एक्सप्रेशंस के थ्रू दर्शाने की कोशिश करूँगी. आई होप आप इन्जॉय करेंगे. थैंक यू.
है नभ पर, गरजत है नभ पर। तल तल दामिनिया चमकी चमकत गगन के रंगमंच पर, रंगमंच पर, रंगमंच पर। झकझोर झोर झकोर मोंदन पर की झरर भूमि पर, झरर भूमि पर, झरर भूमि पर।
छम परत बूंद बरसत चहुओर छोर, शीतलता चहुओर छाए, शीतलता चहुओर छाए। भावे ब्रिज श्याम सो, भावे ब्रिज श्याम सो।